And just like that, we hit the road, windows down, good vibes on, and excitement building up for a quiet little escape just a short drive away. Destination Trosa, Sudan's best kept secret by the sea. As we rode into Trosa, it felt like stepping into a storybook. Colorful little houses lined in the streets, trees swayed gently in the breeze, and just ahead, a charming old bridge welcoming us into the town. Everything here feels peaceful and perfectly in the place. We wandered through the narrow streets surrounded by those classic Swedish red wooden houses, each one like a piece of history standing quietly in the sun. Then we stumbled upon this sculpture, two hands reaching out, frozen in the bronze. It felt like they are telling a story, one of the connection, memory, or maybe a quiet welcoming to all those who pass by. With curiosity stirred, we continued our walk, the river beside us, the town unfolding slowly, like a calm breath of fresh air. Right by the river, the kids found their adventure, trying to catch fish with all the excitement. The water shimmered, the ducks swam by, and their laughter echoed through the stillness. The walk led us to this peaceful riverside spot, the boats gently bobbing on both sides, as if waiting for their next quiet sail. We found a perfect place to pause. A garden, a little restaurant with small park with benches, flowers, and a view that makes you want to sit and stay a while. As the day slowly faded into golden evening light, Trosa became even more magical. If you are thinking of staying overnight, honestly, do it. This beautiful riverside hotel is the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the vibes. And just when we thought the day couldn't get any sweeter, we found this cozy little ice cream corner, serving homemade scoops full of flavor and love. As we continued our walk around the river, the number of fishermen started to grow. Turns out these are not professional fishermen but young boys and girls, casting lines with more curiosity than technique. It wasn't about the catch, it was all about the joy of chase and the fun of simply being out here. And just like that, we reached the far end of the boat, where the river, boats, and the sky all meet in one stunning panoramic view. A perfect ending to a slow, beautiful day in Trosa, full of stories, laughter, and memories we will definitely carry home. What a perfect day here in Trosa. as we watch the kids play and peaceful beauty of this garden. It's easy to see why this charming town should be your next destination. Trosa offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and a peaceful ambience that makes it the ideal gateway for families, adventurers, and anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Trosa has something for everyone. It is a place to unwind, reconnect with loved ones, and create unforgettable memories. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, happy travels.